On this episode of Gina's Doggy Paddle, either we see a UFO or someone's firing at us. We find out where Gorditas come from. Jessica does a historical laundry demonstration, and I get to eat a mezcal banana split. So join us now.
So I'm up a little early this morning, watching the sunrise again. Beautiful out with the animals. You hear the dogs barking and the chickens crowing. They got like cannons going off. It's a celebration to some saint. The church bells ring and everything. There it goes. Always a party.
Agonzote. And that loud voice in the background is my niece. 3 stories now. Yep. That's the 80s. Back in the day, you used to have these massive arms. There's not that much water coming out because they're doing laundry downstairs. The washing machine. There's a washing machine downstairs.
There's also one right next to you.
And a dryer, I think. It's okay. This is better.
It's okay.
It's okay. Like Julio says. El gringo dice, it's okay.
Look, we made a laundry angel.
This is where they used to do their laundry, do their dishes, and wash their babies.
Not necessarily in that order, but
Well, they would wash their babies because they were dirty. No, they would feed them and then they would wash the dishes. And then they would wash the kids and then they would wash the clothes.
it's called efficiency.
But I remember when my niece and nephew were little, in la casa de la ermita, my mom had one. And it was painted blue, like the house. You know, gotta match. Your lavadero has to match your house. I can see why washer machines were invented. This is a lot of work, but it's heavy. It's like, imagine back then when they used to have really dirty clothes because they would come from the farm from feeding the animals. And your jeans or your pants were filthy. This is just like wet, not really dirty. And then before, there used to be these wood ones. There wouldn't even be cement ones at home. or the little metal ones that you would travel with and go to the river. You would wash your clothes like on the big rocks in the river. My mom used to do that before I was born. When my brothers and sisters were little. And my two oldest siblings. So she would have to go to the river and wash the clothes on one of these wash Not only their clothes, but their sheets. You've come a long way. You're very spoiled. And that's how you wash laundry.
After the laundry was done, we took a drive into town on the hunt for something to eat. Which is where we found the cutest cowboy in all of Mexico.
I saw you downtown today, a little gray around the temples, but still way better looking than okay. I heard you and your missus had gone your separate ways. I guess I should feel sorry, but I for one still dream about those days when we played cowboys and Indians, spun round and round in the rain days, rustled them big longhorns all across the Badlands, and we slept under open skies, stars reflecting in our eyes, while Bill and Tiger Lily holding hands, cowboys and Indians.
And we had finally arrived at El Chido for some gorditas, for which I was promised After finding a seat in this tiny place, we looked over the menu. The fare is simple, tacos or gorditas, and choose your stuffings. The prices are definitely reasonable also. They were also kind enough to let us film them and see how these gorditas are made. I think what he said was, I also got to see him making the tortillas and gorditas fresh right there. And then cooking them right on the grill in front of you. At the tables they have for you fresh salsas and condiments. Say again?
Medium and shredded beef.
We got a whole assortment of different kinds. It's gonna be hot. Yep, it was hot. And I can testify to the fact that later that evening we went downtown again to get another little snack.
Me imagino tus labios, pero en otra mujer. Por más que quiera.
And for those who may wonder if it's affordable to stay in Jerez for a couple nights, here's your answer.
Volvieran otra vez. O si el amor que un día te tuve fuera más grande que las nubes. Fuera más grande que las nubes. Otra vez.
Yep, we made it to our favorite little ice cream spot. This was our high-tech Mexican cell phone. And this was my delicious mezcal ice cream banana split.
Una peli en la cabeza me imaginé, donde hasta viejito serás mi mujer, hasta que decidiste largarte otra vez. Yo te quería para mí, me cambiaste la vida y eso lo permití. Perdón por ser ingenuo, vio lo que me metí. La calle sin salida me olía a ti, olía a...
That's it for this episode. If you liked what you saw, or even if you didn't, feel free to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Also, leave a comment, let us know how we're doing, what you like most about it.